My students, how are you? Today we'll solve cognitive assessment from المعاصر book, lesson 2, unit 9. Question number 1, letter A. The simplest form of the ratio 550 to 770 is. Question number 1, letter A. We have 550 to 770. First step, we must divide it by 10. The result will be 55 and here 77. Next step, divided by 11. The highest common factor between two numbers here it will be 11. 55 divided by 11, it will be 5. And 77 divided by 11 equals 7. Then the ratio here, it will be 5 to 7. Shows letter A. Question letter B. For letter B, we have 3 over 4 divided by half, or half, which comparing, we have 3 over 4 divided by half and half. We can write 3 over 4, convert from division to multiplication, write the inverse about 1 over 2 to be 2 over 1. 2 divided by 2, 1. 4 divided by 2 equal 2. 1 times 3 equal 3. 1 times 2 equal 2. 3 over 2, it will be 1 and half. 1 and half greater than. Okay, 3/4 divided by half, the result will be 3 over 2. Okay, write reciprocal about 1 over 2, it will be 2 over 1. And then simplest, 3 over 2, it will be 1 and half. Then you must choose letter C about question B. Letter B, choose letter C. Next question, letter C, if the ratio between A and B is 3 to 8 and B is 16, then A will be what? Okay, look at here about letter C. You want to find the value of A. Give us the ratio between A and B is 3 to 8. Okay, the ratio between 3 and B was 3 to 8. If B, the value of B was 16, what is the value of A? We know 8 times 2 equals 16, then 3 times 2 equals 6. Or you can find the unknown number by product between two numbers. The product of extremes equal product between means. The product of means equals the product of means. Write 3 times 16 over 8. 16 divided by 8 equal 2, and 2 times 3 equals 6. Okay, then the value here of A will be 6. Okay, because 3 times 2 equals 6, 2 times 8 equals 16. He gives us that twice the number. Question letter C, shows letter C. Question letter D, the next ratio of question letter D, the next ratio of 2 to 3 and 4 to 6 and 8 to 12 space to space. We have 2 or 3. 2 times 2 equal 4. Okay, 2 times 3 equals 6. It's the first. And here 2 times 4 equal 8. 3 times 4 equal 12. You can find the ratio here by product by what? 2 over 3, you can product by 4. We have 4. Okay, 2 times 5, 10. We can write here 10. 3 times 5 equal 15. Then the ratio 10 to 15. But we haven't in the result 10 to 15. Okay, you can write what? 2 over 3 product by 6. 2 times 6 equal 12, and 3 times 6 equal 18. 12 over 18. No, we haven't 12 over 18. Then you can write 2 over 3 product by what? Product by 8. And this number product by 8. 2 times 8 equal 16. 3 times 8 equal 24. It's letter B. Choose letter B about this example. Okay, choose letter B about question D. Next example, from the model, we want to find the quotient of 2 divided by 3 over 4. Question letter E, we have 2 divided by 3 over 4. How many 3/4 into, we can draw how many models? 2 models. 2 models, and divided each one of them 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And each one contains of force. We have force, 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 force. How many 3 forces into 1, 2, 3? We have 3 forces. 1, 1, 2, 3. 3 forces. It's number 2. And the remainder 2 from 3 parts. Then we have 2, 1, 2, and we have remainder 2 from how many parts in the one set? 3 parts. Or you can write solve 2 product by reciprocal about 3 over 4. It will be 4 over 3. And 2 times 4 equal 8 over 3. You can simplest it, write 3 in the numerator. 2 times 3 equals 6 and the remainder 2. Or you can solve this example by draw 2 models and divided each one of them 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and count each 3 forces contains it to 1. 1 whole number here. 1, 2, 3, 3 forces 1, 1, 2, 3, 3 forces number 2, and the remainder 2 forces from 3 forces. The result will be 2 forces from 3 forces. It means 2 parts, 1, 2 parts from 3 parts. Result will be 2 and 2 over 3. Okay. Choose letter C. Question letter F. If the ratio between oranges and bananas is 2 and 5, 2 to 5, and the number of oranges is 10, then the difference between them equal what? Okay. We have the ratio between what here in this example? He gives us the ratio between oranges, number of oranges, to the number of banana, and he gives us the ratio between number of oranges and the number of banana was 2 to 5, or reverse to oranges, and here is the banana. Okay, the number of oranges and the ratio between number of oranges to the number of banana was 2 and 5. And he gives us the difference. You can write here D reverse to the difference between them. The difference between two ratio 5 minus 2 equal 3. And he gives us the difference between them. It will be 10. He won't find what? He won't find. He gives us the number of oranges was 10. Sorry, the number of oranges was 10. Oranges here. The number of oranges was 10, and he won't find the difference between them. He won't find the difference between them. Again, he gives us the ratio between oranges and banana 2 to 5, and if the number of oranges 10, then he won't find the difference between them. If we have 2 to 5, the ratio 2 times 2 times 5 equal 10, and 5 times 5 it will be 25. Then the number of oranges will be 10 oranges, and the number of banana 25 bananas. Then the difference between them, we can write the difference between them here. 25 minus 10, it will be 15. Then the difference between them, it will be 25 minus 10, it will be 15. Okay, the difference between them 15. Letter B. Choose letter B about question F. Okay, understood? Solve it again or not? Okay, I will solve it again to understood. He gives us in this example the ratio between number of oranges to the number of banana was what the ratio give us. The ratio here between them 2 to 5. And it tells us if the number of oranges is 10, he won't find the difference between them. First step, we must know how many banana with we have 2 times 2 equal 10, then the number of banana with ham, it will be 2 times 5 equal 10, then 5 times 5, it will be 25. And the number of banana was 25. Then we can find the difference between the number of banana and the number of oranges. Write 25 minus 10, the result will be 15. You want to find the difference between them. Choose letter B. Question number 2, complete. The ratio is comparing between two quantities which has the same units. The ratio, but he want to hear what the ratio. Okay, we have the difference between ratio and rate. The ratio is comparing between two quantities which have the same units, but the rate that compares two quantities, comparing between two quantities in the different units of measure. Okay, write the definition with me. Ratio, we have the difference between ratio and what? And rate. He won't find the rate. Rate compares between two quantities in the different units of measure. Okay, we have the difference between ratio and rate. He won't find what? The rate. Okay, we can find the rate. Write the rate. The rate is compare. The rate is compare between two quantities in different units of measure. The rate is comparing between two quantities in different units of the measure, but the ratio comparing between two quantities in the same units. We have the difference between rate and the ratio. Okay, again, ratio comparing between two quantities which have the same units, but the rate is comparing between two quantities in different units of the measure. Okay, it's the rate. Question letter B. 1/5 divided by 3. We can write 1/5 and write the inverse about 3. It will be 1/3. Write 1 times 1 equal 1. 3 times 5 equal 15. The result will be 1/15. Okay. Question letter C. Space divided by half equal 4/7. We won't find this number. This number reverts to the dividend. To find the dividend, you must find product between quotient and divisor, because the dividend equal divisor multiplication by the quotient. Put here x reverts to the dividend. Write the product between two numbers. Write half product by 4/7. Then x will be 2 divided by 2, 1. 4 divided by 2 equal 2. 1 times 2 equal 2. 1 times 7 equals 7. And the value of unknown numbers here, it will be 2/7. Question letter D. The ratio between two numbers 4 to 5 and the greater number is 20. The smaller number, it will be what? Okay, he give us the ratio between smaller and the greater. Ratio between two numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, it's smaller. And here it was greater. He won't find what? He won't find, in this example, he won't find the smaller number. He won't find the smaller number what? If the greater number was 20, okay, we can find this number. 5 reduced by 4 equal 20, then 4 times 4 equals 16. And then smaller number will be what? Will be 16. Okay, 4 times 5 equal 20, then 4 times 4 equals 16. It was question letter D. Letter E, the reciprocal of 3 over 5, it will be 5 over 3. Question letter E, reciprocal of 3 over 5, it's meaning the inverse about 3 over 5, it will be 5 over 3. You can write 3 in the numerator. 1 times 3 equals 3 and the remainder 2, then the result will be 1 and 2 over 3. Question number 3, the ratio between marbles. Okay, the ratio between marbles and blue marbles. Red marbles and blue marbles is 4 to 3. Complete the following table. Okay, we have table comparing here between red marbles and blue marbles. Okay, and E here refers to the total numbers. Okay, I will complete this table with you. First, we have first red marble. Okay, red marble here. And blue marbles. And give us the ratio between them. He gives us 3 and 4 and total. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Okay, and write here P, and here 8 and 14. 14 minus 8 equals 6. Then B will be 6. Okay, and we have 28. 4 times 7 equals 28, and 4 times 4 equals 16. Then write here C, 16. And 4 times 3 equals 12. Then the value of D equals 12. Again, 4 product by 7 equals 28. Then 4 times 4 equals 16. 3 times 4 equals 12. We have next question, letter B. Use the model to calculate 3 over 4 divided by 6. 3 over 4 divided by 6. We know the least common multiplication between two denominators equals 4. Then we will draw model and divided each of them 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and I will color 3 parts from this model, and I will draw 6 models from this model, and I will color each of them. It's reversed to the dividend, and here divisor 1, counting with me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have 6 models and colored each of them. You can write the quotient here, the number of parts colored here, 3 parts in the dividend. How many parts colored? 3 in the dividend. And divisor 4 product by 6. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 4, it will be what? It will be 24. Then you can sample it. 3 divided by 3 equal 1, and 24 divided by 3 equal 8. Okay, again, first step, we must draw one model, divided each part here 1, 2, 3, 4, and colored 4 parts from first model, and this refers to the dividend. And divisor, you must draw 6 models such that this model 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 models. And to find the quotient, you must count how many parts colored in the dividend, 3 parts. How many parts colored in the divisor? Whole part here, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Then the result will be 3 over 24, 1 over 8. Okay, understood?